Wait a second, what I have to speak? Langa do. We don't want to get the deal out. Edit chidura.
Kama kachera
From. Oh no. Hello, my name is Gigmeth Dolkar and I'm a bachelor student and I'm pursuing my BSc course in Forensic Science in National Forensic Sciences University.
Hello everyone, my name is Tashi Wangmo.
Tsangma test dile ngeming tezibidi anganda dilila ni tholop de chimai
참을로리아 공감상이 참비슈 예민한 Sonam Topgyal 시유에 단대샤는데 딜리나 롬니 셰신베 비리로마 시차디요
antiling Chisem chokpanyamdoni concern 2022 review ani pegde shuan ani yidoni sanyi ni khande dowa ni konjangala ni tought ni khachi shira.
By and large 2022 has been a great year, but taking a critical stance upon myself, one word that I would use to describe my 2022 would be complacency. Because sometimes I get this feeling that certain things could have been done in a much better way, and it was just my self-satisfied sort of personality that I didn't push things hard enough to get them done in the way it could have been done otherwise.
One word to describe 2022 is a roller coaster for me, because there were times where I would just want to give up, and there were times where my friends supported me and I felt like I'm blooming up. So it was both bitter and sour moments. So I would say this year was a roller coaster.
Lawaina ni nga adventurous la sarra ani adventurous kachin la san lana ni nga ni do ni sanye dilani da tholop do de dilila ni sacha saare ani mi khoryu saara an dina didu man lo dina nga mi sabe mo thusra mi sawa mangbo ani chowa khaju muju ani khalor nyamyu nga khaju muju sasra an sacha I khaju muju de la ba nyamyu sasra wodi ni nyamyu sa ki be adventurous hodura ngarang ta sam ngarang ge samgyo la pa samlu la orishra wodi ni nga lo de ni adventurous la sare.
Accomplishment is in 2022 I got an opportunity to I was selected for a fellowship in internet governance and cybersecurity, which was held in Hyderabad for a few days, and there a lot of people had come. The fellow members were not only from the India but also from other Asian countries, and I felt so accomplished because I was the youngest over there and all other members were doing jobs and well settled, and I got a lot of exposure out there. So I feel that it was the best accomplishment I in 2022.
I would say that 2022 was the most hardest year for me so far in my life, and yeah, I suffered from a lot of situations where I was just stressed up, and I think somehow it was a great experience for me. And what I learned this year was I should always put myself first and do things which makes me happy, rather than just looking for others if it matters to them or not. So what I want to actually convey is putting yourself first and taking yourself as the first priority. Thank you.
Ani lo dinani lapje akshu ngara la khara sana ni tuju ni Tenzin chade rasra ani tuju une ngajo tuju di do di rao de ngajo ni ngara ni do ni sani na ngara gi tuju thola jang gi ro chorsa ngajo ngara samla bo da ma de samla bo ni do ni sani de khande dor ta wa na ngara tuju thola bang bo da shara an che sa ni tuju Tenzin chade be ki jum chosra bo de da ngara ani ma ma da ni do ni sa sun ko tu sa re ni wo de ni ngalo de ni tuju Tenzin ya bu che.
Favorite place you visited this year? tanda chiluni to ni sani jinde shibe na tanda kapchungwa be begi toronament social se tanda be merini sonan la kumso shebre de thusu ngara dili chone soja we mo thone mumju shebre wa yang sonan de ngalcha shigine tinde gi favorite na khan mare ro tunda zoro de ngara chimbe de ge sonan ge namshire dawan shin soja we mi kuyu sheba 아니 기울어 좀 그래서 친구들 주제 촐라도 손삼들 간체 맞죠.
Favorite moment, I can say that when I saw my parents' glowing, sparkling face when they had a proud moment when I got an opportunity for hosting in a very prestigious moment and event, the 86th birthday of His Eminence Thikse Rinpoche back in my hometown, and thousands of people had come, and my parents were too proud of me when I did it very well. And when I saw that face, it was the best moment in my life.
Garden cheshe da mi su la la na ngara chokpo da ni phama yin shara chokpo da phama yin ani ngara ni do ni sangi ni koryu sawa chi da le na ngara ni rokpa sawa ma bu thusra nga de ha na di ore pheba ji so na de de ro odi la ni ngara da ngara de lop tu ma bu thusra lop tu sawa ma bu thu ani khonzo ge ja ni ani nga zo pha zo ngo shi ma chi ani khonzo mi ge ja shi ani nga zo pha zo rokpa chi de su ba ni khonzo be ka ni chi mo ya ngara cham cham so kai na chi rokpa go su ba ni ngara rokpa takpa dura ngara rokpa mangpu ye ni khojang la ni yab gyo yak cheso ani phama ye na phama du jong azu da masha wara phama thare bu na nga zu takpa khonzu khangdup chine ne khaba da thadu gyo ne nga zu da dewa chi da ani khonzu ye ni nga zu ji da be semba gyo su tra ani ngala ani ngala yab la ni ngala ni tangi yu sama de samu di do di nga be kani shimu yin rokpa da phama la
Advice. Oh, actually, I would like to thank my elder sister because not only this 2022, but for the whole life, since my childhood, she has been giving the best advice, all the support, and wherever I stand right now, it's only because of her. Advices like be it about my studies, be it about how to take stand for myself and how to be independent actually, and how to behave and how to talk with a person, and how to know when a person is taking advantage of you, and in everything, be it love life, be it like career life, she has been there with me and then telling me what is wrong and what is right. And apart from giving advice, she even told me and taught me how to work on that advice, so I'm really thankful to her.
ani lo de la ni nga ge bu da ge shi la da be chop cha shi da ti si khati ching sa na ni kip shi do da nga ro rokpa changma nga zu da de ga na di ora shokpa ni chin da do ni da ka thang shi da so lo le sa ma ni nga zu ro changma ni nya nga jing na ni nyam do tho chin ni te kyu chin de nyam ba sa ani ke che shi nga zo yema lo pro ti si ga so ni khar kar che ba da ni ti chi chop sa u de za ni go le ke che shi da ni nga da ki mo be mo ge ra nga da sang ma ki mo ge ro di ti si be kyu ching so si thang dai them ji sa ma le
Time you laugh the hardest this year, and the kind of 기무 슉슉슉 가디쇼 윈셀 저대로 디치디 지당은서 저거당 된다 인지게 된다 할로 superlative vocabulary 되는 부재당지 저거도 디투고 카드데 this 렌테 카보르스도 레인비는 가서 부레 손치기네 한지 뉴스 상보다 정보다 남산지 인스타그램 첨배 지도 장는 토하지 this was my happiest moments so 같이 happiest 팀버데 고 지다 쳐보를 슈트도 아직 데스 카보도 라르니 단다 전지 뒤에 차샤이네 지 가서 예무쇼 있는 주다 몸부시다더라 영화 안에 부 접속되는 몸부터 언제로랬어
아 투어틸린 차스라 안 참말로 되지나 아니 지샘 속불라 나라니 고급 ini 투어틸린 쳐라 니가 되지나 나이 되지나 바이
Thank you.